Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. My name is Nasheen Amir and I am your English teacher. Today is 18th June 2020, and as you know, yesterday we started a new chapter that was about noise in the environment. And after this brief intro to the lesson, let's have a look what we are going to do today. Our today's tasks are pre-reading questions and reading paragraph number 1 and then translation into Urdu. So let's get started. First of all, here is a picture. You may see it on the screen. Here are some instruments are given which are called noise producing agents. So the question that is given in pre-reading question is that which idea comes to your mind when you look at the title and illustration of the unit. So if we define the picture, then it will be quite clear to us. This picture clearly shows the relationship between the effect of noise pollution and its causes. As we can see, a person's life becomes hell when these boisterous irritants or noise producing agents expose extreme noise. So, second question about the effects of noise pollution, and this already been discussed to you, that noise pollution can have serious effects on human health, and this may lead to various diseases like high blood pressure, stress in form of mental, physical and emotional, and then sleeplessness, anxiety, bad temper. All these are effects that are produced by the noise pollution. So third question is, what do you do to protect yourself? As I have already told you about this, that we should keep the pitch of volume low while listening to the music, minimize the use of technology-based appliances, avoid from unnecessary use of honking, and most of all, raise awareness among the people, and civic sense must be there. So civilized communities should play their vital role to eradicate and eliminate the prevailing problem. So dear students, I hope so this will be quite clear to you. Now we are going to do the reading of paragraph number 1, and that is, noise pollution is defined as any form of noise that disrupts the normal functioning of life. If left unchecked, it can have serious effects on the mind and body of humans. Now let's have a look on difficult words. Noise pollution is defined तारीफ बयान किया जाना. Any form of noise, शोर की कोई भी शक्ल. Disrupts, खराबी पैदा करना. नॉर्मल रोज़मर्रा के फंक्शनिंग ऑफ लाइफ, ज़िंदगी के काम. इफ़ लेफ्ट छोड़ देना. अनचेक्ड बग़ैर जांच के. इट कैन हैव मुरतब कर सकती है. सीरियस संगीन अफेक्ट्स असरात on the mind and body of humans. Now I am going to translate it in a meaningful way so that you may understand it clearly. Noise pollution is defined, शोर की आलूदगी की तारीफ यूँ बयान की जाती है, as any form of noise, जैसा कि शोर की कोई भी शक्ल that disrupts the normal functioning of life, جو زندگی کے روزمرہ کے کاموں میں خلل پیدا کرتی ہے۔ شور کی آلودگی کی تعریف یوں بیان کی جاتی ہے کہ شور کی کوئی بھی شکل جو زندگی کے روزمرہ کے کاموں میں خلل پیدا کرتی ہے۔ If left unchecked، اگر اسے بغیر جانچ کے چھوڑ دیا جائے، it can have serious effects، تو یہ سنگین اثرات مرتب کر سکتی ہے on the mind and body of humans، انسانی ذہن اور جسم پر۔ تو یہ انسانی جسم اور ذہن پر سنگین اثرات مرتب کر سکتی ہے۔ I hope so, girl. This paragraph will be quite clear to you, and if you have any sort of problem, you may ask. Your home assignment is to read and learn and then write the paragraph in your notebooks. Stay happy, stay safe. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.